Imagine a world where making sales calls wasn't a hassle, but a breeze. That's the story of a famous digital marketing company, which had everything but an efficient way to handle outbound calls. They were stuck doing things the hard way, until they met Vodex. Vodex introduced a game-changing, generative AI-powered phone call engagement solution for the digital marketing firm. It went beyond merely speeding up the process of dialing. It was focused on ensuring every call was engaging and impactful, turning every interaction into a potential win. With Vodex, their calls became smarter, not harder, personalized in a way that really spoke to people. And the results? They were like a dream come true. Sales shot up by 40%, and the team could finally focus on what they did best, being digital marketing geniuses. This story isn't just about success, it's also an offer. If you're struggling with making outbound calls, now could be your chance to turn things around and find your own success. With Vodex, that ending is just a call away. Ready to make the leap? Visit Vodex.ai now to transform your business.